The relics of St Brigid were brought here in the 1200s by knights and have remained here since, in the parish of Lumiere in Lisbon.
We know very little about the real St Brigid. We know a lot, perhaps too much, about the legend she created. St Brigid was the most famous Irish woman of her time and for 1,000 years after her life. Her fame swept across Europe at a time that St Patrick was unheard of beyond these shores. St Brigid of Sweden was named for her, but in the vast body of literature that was created to honour St Brigid, there are clues to what lies beneath, and what we uncover is sparkling and beautiful and in some ways more enticing than the woman of the miracles and of the reed crosses. Come with me on the journey to unlock the St Brigid code. I am Eoghan Corry.